Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. We still have a cut-off low controlling the weather across South Africa, and the system should give us isolated to scattered thunderstorms extending from Namibia through the eastern areas of the Northern Cape and the western sections of the northwest down into parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. The thunderstorms could also spill into southern Gauteng in the evening. We also have a cold front which should bring us cloud and rainy weather along the south coast and the western areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be mostly sunny with high cloud across northeastern South Africa. Mostly sunny skies are forecast for the western areas of the Northern Cape. Now we're expecting between a 40 and 60% chance of thunderstorms extending from the northwestern interior through the Free State down into parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Up to 60% chance of rain is forecast over much of the south coast. It's going to be pretty warm this afternoon for much of the northwest. Highs around 25 for Vryburg and Mahikeng, just a degree cooler as we go towards Pretoria, a hot 30 for the highs in Mbombela and Palabora. A warm day is also forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal, where highs will reach the mid and upper 20s. A high of 22 for Velkom, the same for Bloemfontein, Queenstown and Bishop. A warm 26 for the top temperature in Mutata. Moderate northeasterlies are forecast along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, but the airflow tends to a southwesterly this afternoon around Durban, where a high of 26 is expected. Fresh to strong southwesterlies between Port Elizabeth and East London. We are expecting temperatures to be cooler as we go towards the southern interior, where highs in the lower 20s are expected. A warm 25, however, for Vredendal. Temperatures in the upper teens are forecast along the south coast and the southwest coastline. Slightly warmer, however, for Jeffreys Bay, peaking at 21, and we are expecting fresh southwesterlies for the coastal town. Swell heights of the south coast should average 2 meters, and the swell will come from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be warm across the Northern Cape with temperatures in the mid-20s for most areas. Pretty warm, however, for Appington, shooting to around 28 degrees. Moderate to fresh winds are forecasted this Friday along much of the west coast, and we're expecting a high of 19 for Cape Town. The high tide along the west coast should arrive at around 4 p.m. this afternoon. It's going to be mostly sunny on Saturday for western South Africa. Light rain is forecast between Port Elizabeth and Richards Bay. Thunder showers for Gauteng and parts of the eastern Highveld areas.